Good day, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast issued on Friday, February 13th, 2026. For your general situation, a weak pressure gradient across the area will maintain light to gentle winds and generally calm to moderate seas. Meanwhile, a weak cold front just north of the region is forecast to move near the Turks and Caicos Islands late tonight. Ahead of the boundary, a few brief passing showers are possible later today, but overall conditions will remain fairly settled. The weather for all areas: partly sunny with isolated showers possible in the afternoon and mostly fair tonight. The winds will be northeast at 10 knots or less, increasing to 10 to 15 knots tonight. Seas in the Caicos Bank will be 1 to 3 feet and in the Atlantic 2 to 4 feet. The daytime high temperature is 79 degrees Fahrenheit and the overnight low temperature is 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 5:44 p.m. with the next high tide at 4:46 p.m. and the next low tide at 10:41 p.m. For the extended forecast, the front will gradually weaken as high pressure builds across the area over the weekend, supporting more settled weather and generally favorable marine conditions. By Sunday, another cold front moving off the southeastern U.S. coast will approach the island chain early next week. This will result in increasing winds and building seas, leading to deteriorating marine conditions and a higher likelihood of showers as the boundary nears. The forecast for Saturday: isolated showers possible and partly sunny with a high near 81 degrees. Saturday night, mostly fair with a low around 66 degrees. Winds will be northeast at 10 to 15 knots. Seas in the Caicos Bank will be 1 to 3 feet and in the Atlantic 2 to 4 feet. Sunrise will be at 6:20 a.m. and sunset will be at 5:45 p.m. The forecast for Sunday: a low chance of isolated showers and a mix of sun and clouds with a high near 82 degrees. Sunday night, isolated showers possible and partly cloudy with a low around 66 degrees. For your advisory, a small craft advisory will be in effect for Atlantic exposed waters. Small craft caution will be in effect for all local waters. Winds will be northeast to east at 15 to 20 knots, and seas will be 3 to 5 feet, building up to 8 feet offshore in Atlantic exposed waters. Sunrise will be at 6:19 a.m. and sunset will be at 5:46 p.m. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Friday, February 13, 2026 by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Monday. Have a great weekend.